Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the Serpentine belt on a Ford Taurus. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery cable before working. Gather tools, Serpentine belt tool or breaker bar, socket set, and a new belt matched to your engine. Inspect pulleys and tensioner for wear and clean any debris from the belt path with a rag. First, make sure you have a clear view of the belt path and a good light source. Remove any engine covers that block access and locate the belt routing diagram under the hood or take a photo for reference. Find the tensioner pulley and accessory pulleys, checking each for play or noise by spinning them by hand. A worn tensioner or pulley should be replaced before installing the new belt. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more DIY auto guides. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during any repair, so grab the Owala water bottle for easy sipping between steps. It's leak-proof, fits cup holders, and keeps drinks cold or hot when you need focus. Check the description for the Owala link and other deals, and if that sounds useful, hit like. Now let's get back to the video. Rotate the tensioner with a Serpentine tool or breaker bar to relieve tension, then remove the old belt from the pulleys carefully. Compare the old and new belts to confirm correct length and rib alignment before routing the new belt along the proper path. Use the tool to pull the tensioner, slip the belt over the final pulley, and slowly release the tensioner, confirming the belt seats properly in all pulley grooves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.